Hey, what's up guys? So I have some extra batteries for my Arlo camera here. I've got a few extra batteries and I want to keep them charged all the time, so that way I don't have a camera down at any certain amount of time. I believe it takes about 4 hours to charge the batteries. So I have this battery charger here. It's an external charger that will just keep my batteries charged all the time. It's from Wasserstein, who I have reviewed some of their stuff in the past and really like their stuff. It works out well and it is totally affordable, which is why I got this one here. So I want to show you guys what's in the box, what it comes with, how it works. So in the box here we have the USB power. This is the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. 3.0, I was looking on the back here at 5 volts. This puts out 3 amps, which is pretty good because the Netgear one only puts out 1.8 amps. We have the base station here. The base station is nice and light, but it feels like it's quality. On the front here, we have the Wasserstein emblem. We've got 2 lights on the front, one for each bay. If we look inside here, those are the 2 bays inside. On the back, we've got a port for the USB power. And then we also have the power cable. So this power cable, this USB power cable that comes with it, it's only about 1.5 feet long. I would recommend using the 6-foot cable that came with the Arlo itself. Here are the cables that came with the Arlo. I've got, this is the Netgear power supply over here, and then we've got the 6-foot long cable. So if you need some extra cable and aren't happy with the 1.5 foot one that they gave you, don't forget you have this as an option. Let's test this out. So when I plug this in, you should see 2 indicator lights on the front. There they are. So on the battery are these 2 slots. This is so you can't put the battery in upside down. So these slots also match it with slots that are in this device here. So I'm gonna pop in the battery and see that it's charging. So you can do, obviously, 2 batteries in here. I have charged several batteries with this so far. I've had them up for a couple weeks now and they're still rocking like 90%. So no concern there with them not charging as well as just sticking it in the Arlo itself. This thing has done a fantastic job. I am happy that I don't have to be taking cameras down. I can just reach up there, open up the camera, take the battery out, pop in a new battery, and we're good to go. So that's pretty much it for this review. If you guys want to check it out, I will have links in the description below. As always, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.